Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm back with another birthday entry, and this is number 48, and this is from Miss Claudia, and she is Kitty Cat on Instagram. Let me see. Kitty Cat Aguiniga. I can't say her name correctly, so I apologize, Claudia. Sorry. So let's get into her awesome. I want to show you her envelope. Look at this. She's got a skull, a scully, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so terrible. Here we go. She got a little skull, clear scully pick right here. You know I'm gonna use that. And then she's got these gorgeous balloons. These are all die cut out, guys. And then these little foam stickers, I think, are from Dollar Tree. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. I can't show it to you correctly, but okay, that's enough. Let's get into her envelope. All right, let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Oh, she got little dewdrops. Oh my goodness. Girly. Oh my gosh, thank you. Yes, girl, we got it all. All right, let's see what's in here. So I'm assuming that we should open it from this side. Oh my gosh. I think I just saw her creating with this digital line on Instagram, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at those lips. She's got some fangs on her. Happy birthday. Ooh, she's got correct me if I'm wrong, diamond dots, I think, on the backs of these spiders. Can you see? Can you see the itty bitty purple dots? These little things are diamond dots. Oh my gosh. And then she's got this really delicate kind of garland right here. A little rosette, some foily drippy stuff here, and a spooky fence right here. Oh my gosh. She's got some bats on that spooky fence and a little, oh wait, that's a confetti. Oh, now it's stuck to me. Isn't that cute? Okay, let me see if there's anything showing. Whoa, what was that that fell? Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. So, it says, happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day filled with love and many blessings. May God give you many more years filled with love and good health. Love, Claudia, aka Kitty Cat, XOXO. P.S. My birthday is June 9th. Yes, girl, yes. Look at this. She's got this gigantic flat back iridescent pearl right here. There's that cat from the digital kit that she's working with. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And then the back has handmade by Kitty Cat, and she's got a little cat down there. Oh my god, that is so cute. I love all the little touches, guys. This is awesome. I love that. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Kitty. Thank you. Guys, there's a bunch of little dewdrops. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, she did. She shared some balloons with me. Oh my god. Love it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I almost thought this was like a sequence like that, but it's two separate. It's a jumbo sequence. Oh my goodness. She gave me some little curly cute bows. Oh, I love these. You know the problem with me? I love these so much. I buy them at Dollar Tree. I mean, I love them. I buy them every time. And they're so cute to me that when I get them home, I don't want to use them. And I don't know. It's just me. It's me. Look at her beautiful foam flowers. Did you make these, girly? Wow. Did you make these? Please tell me if you made these. These are gorgeous. I'm picking at it because I want to see what does she do? How does she do it? So beautiful. Purple roses. Oh my goodness. You guys need to check her out on Instagram and on YouTube. Oh my goodness. There's just more goodies in here. It's hard to get to it because I'm just so excited. I want to see everything. And then look at this grass. This is like it's plastic grass, but I've never seen this texture and shade of these colors. Like, wow. Look at all that. I'm keeping this. No, I ain't sharing this. This is staying with me because I've never seen it before. So I'm keeping these and it will go somewhere where only I get to use it. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous, I leave. Look at these fun sequins that she's got in here, you guys. There's like purple moons and black stars. And oh my goodness, look at these moons. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. And then she's topped it with the morning dew. The dewdrops. Isn't that gorgeous? These giant sequins also. Oh my gosh. And different size stars. I'm in love with this mix, girly. You know, I'm going to pick all of this out. And this is not going in my birthday jar. Maybe just a little bit of it. But I'm going to put this in a separate container because I love it so much. As a matter of fact, I need a container. Oh my gosh. I need a container for reals. Let me see, guys. Let's grab something real quick. How about a mermaid's tail? Why not? Because it's so cute. Oh gosh, now nothing wants to come off my hands. Ah, put these here too. I'm sorry. I'm shaking all that. I'm so sorry. Yes, girl. This is amazing. To the butterflies, to the balloons, to the shred. I've never seen this. Oh my god. I'm gonna fast forward through this. Don't worry, guys. I will fast forward through it. But look at this. Oh my gosh, it's spilling everywhere. I'm trying to put it in the dish. It's not going there. It's going where it wants to go. Oh my. Gonna definitely keep this Pasteloween even. Oh my gosh, Kitty. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful embellishment. What? How do I get into it? Do I have a password or something? Beautiful. She put all the little diamond dots on there. Look at the white. She's got white diamond dots. She's got pink, black, purple. There's the black on the hat. And then some white on the scullies. Oh my gosh. Let me get the stars. There you go. You get it off of the face there. And she's got a little dangly bat on the bottom. Oh my god. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. I'm trying to get it to dangle more, but it's really stuck in there. And oh my gosh, look at her sequin mix. This is so cute. Girl, I'm not cutting that open. Heck no. I'll save that for 10 rainy days. And she's got a gorgeous rosette back here. It's got foil treatment on it. There's a long spooky finger right there. I don't know if this is like candy, but she used a lot of the diamond dots. Look at this shoe. It's somebody's foot. Those high tower shoes. It's got some bones on there. That's the foot right there. There's the bone. This digital kit is so adorable. Wow. She's got layers on layers and another dangly bat right here. Let me see if I can get it to scoop down. There you go. And then we can get the bat to come out. Look, guys. Look at that. Look at the bat. There it is. Oh my god. That is so adorable. Girly, I love this. I'm trying to get the bat there. There it is. Oh my gosh. This is just adorable. That's just one, guys. Two. Whoops. Everything's falling again. Oh, look at her. She's got a beanie on there. It says autumn. She's got a, what's this? Spooky lollipop, a skeleton, another rosette back there, and a silver bat. Oh, this is beautiful. It's got a little pink candle there and these little spider webs everywhere. So gorgeous. Guys, please go check her out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to cut this one open. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's cut into her memory decks. I hate to do it. Look at all her goodies in here. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, girly. It's killing me to cut this open. Where do I cut it? I'm gonna cut the side. Oh, I don't want to do it. This card is so adorable. You guys, we got to see it in full effect. Free from the plastic covering. Look at all of that. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. It says happy birthday. Oh my gosh. Let me get the sequins off of it. It's like it just came back from a party, you know? And then there, oh my gosh. so smart. Look at this. She's got it Velcroed. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Okay, let's look at her card. Look at the flat back jemmies. And then you have these little garlands again. And there's a potion. Another bat. Oh, she got the Ouija eye right here. A little fence there. The skulls. She put some jemmies in the eyes. Oh my gosh, this is so full of detail. There's a little coffin there with a pearl. There's a little flaggy and it says happy birthday. She's got some ribbon back here. Oh my gosh. And she even has a purple, she has a purple spider. Oh my gosh. And then this is a shaker. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my god, girly. This is gorgeous. Let's look inside. It says, happy birthday, sweetie. I hope you like what I made you. I made it with lots of love. My favorite colors are gold, pink, and black. I love all holidays, but Halloween is my first, or my number one. My IG is Kitty Cat Aguiniga, and that is it, guys. Oh my god. So adorable. Oh my goodness. I love it. Are you kidding me? I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, love. Oh my gosh. Okay. Check out her Instagram, guys, and her Facebook. So, I mean, not Facebook, YouTube. So I'll leave the links in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Bye.